Hala, oy, kagwapo sa Inday, oy. We're on our way to Houston. This is the second time na third time pala. So the first
second half.
Second half. The first time, kami lang dalawa ni Ruth yung pumunta, but ano man, that was, I think, the first few days after the lockdown, no? 2 years ago we went there.
I think it was still in lockdown.
Yeah, oh, still?
Because then people can walk there. I think it was still in lockdown.
Ano pala, lockdown pa lang pala noon. May vlog din po ako doon, pero hindi masyadong okay yung ating audio and also video at that time because baguhan pa lang tayo sa ano. Hindi naman, I'm not saying na magaling ako mag-vlog ngayon, but compared yung sa first vlog namin, one of the first vlogs namin kasi yun eh. Punta kami ng Houston.
Het is mooi hè, kijk mooi aan hè. Zo goed.
It's good, yeah. Tinatanong niya kami kung okay ba daw tingnan. Malapit na kami, mga 8 minutes na. It's a small village po and then maraming pumupunta doon kasi maganda yung view. May old windmills and then may mga terrace kasi sila doon. Maganda din yung walking area nila doon kasi may mga dike ba, may mga taong naglalakad doon sa dike. So ipakita ko sa inyo yung aming pupuntahan. Kita-kita tayo doon.
Anna, kijk. Kijk eens. Hondje.
That's mooi. Dito na tayo guys. Medyo shaky because yung,
Old road.
Yeah, old road po siya. Maganda talaga dito eh. Centro. Oh, I remember we were here.
Yeah, this is the other side. They have.
Yeah. There's a church here.
Yeah, this is like a post from a really old one.
Hi! Dito na kami! There before, but there are no flowers now. We're here! Andito na po kami sa Houston! Ha? Mura! Nagpupo daw siya. Pupo or just fart? We're still close to the auto.
Snow poepel.
Hey, pupo, alleen
Ze
utut.
poepelt in the morning really a lot, man.
Yeah?
Yeah.
May pa egg hunting sila dito mamaya. That's more. Mas maganda po yung view doon. Watch out with your steps, ah. Kijk, Anna. Look where you're going, love. Gusto ko ipakita sa inyo dito. Yan guys. Maraming naglalakad dito sa ibabaw. Ganda no? Tapos may mga naglalakad pa doon until there. Gusto din ninyo pumunta dito.
Wil meekijken, mama? Papa ook mee? Kom.
Ja, kom. But it's not busy, yeah? I remember even when it was at the peak of the lockdown.
Yeah, especially then, because then people cannot really go, so they went.
Oh, yeah, at that time, yeah, it was really busy.
Kijk eens, Anna, bootjes, kijk eens. Of bootjes, zo bang, that boat.
Andito pa pala, ang dami pa pala dito.
Nou, alleen Anna, hè?
Alleen Anna.
Maar zitten, is mooi. Doe maar lachen naar mama. Wow, goed zo. Ja, doe maar lachen naar
Oh,
mama.
that's mooi. Tingnan mo, nakasmile si Anna, guys.
Mooi, goed zo. Was mooi, hè? Zonnebril op hebben, Anna?
Yeah, it's hot, meisje. May mga naka-chill sa boat. Mainit nga lang today. Ito talaga yung photo spot dito. Malapit na tayo sa mga teras. Kita ko sa inyo yung view, guys. Ito yung magandang spot or pictures. See? Ang ganda. So, sa information na to, guys, in the year 1357, ito pala yung fish market. Ah, tagal na, no? Kijk out! Go! Go! Here. Oh, here? Ananita, come. Look where you're going, okay? Because it's high. Step here, come.
Step.
Yeah, not. I mean, step down, ba?
Manito.
Oh, Papa, is al daar. Kijk. Is al? Sorry.
Nito.
Okay, sorry, meisje.
Nito mayas.
Niet doen met de jas.
Nee.
Okay.
Ow.
It's quiet ngayon kasi Sunday and it's only 11 o'clock. That's van de kerk, Anna. Ja, pedicure. Dat is mooi voor jou. Die? Toch? I remember because we sat here. We were eating fruit today.
Even kijken of je open is.
So we're gonna go back to the car now. Let's stay on the side, Papa. Ang gaganda ng mga bahay dito. Ruth likes the houses here.
Ja.
Because they're old. Gusto niyang lumipat dito. Yan o. Diba? Banyo mo. Oy. Anna is tired. She woke up early, manggod, this morning. Maybe 6, no? At 6. Around 6, nagising na siya. So, ang plano sana, doon kami sa mga teras ba, mag-chill kami doon, pero kita nyo naman, parang wala na si Ana eh. Parang pagod na. Ayaw naman namin na irritable siya mamaya, hindi din kami makapag-enjoy sa time, no? So, balik na lang kami. Uli na lang. Let's drop by McDonald's na lang, Papa.
Ja, stop je net.
We'll just drop by McDonald's. Ja, ijs halen?
Mama, bij Anna zitten achterin?
Ja? Is dat goed?
De ijsko, maar ik ga mijn ijsko halen met de auto. De ijsko is hier zo.
sasakyan namin.
Kom maar.
Ganda ng paview ko.
Kijk eens, Anna schaapjes.
Kijk. Wow! That's mooi.
Is dat mooi?
Oh, look at the babies, Anna. They're trying to get milk from the mama. Ayan guys, oh, may mga sheep dito.
Is mooi, hè?
Yeah.
Ja.
Schaapjes. Schapen.
Ga even schaapjes kijken.
Ja, dat is mooi, hè? Kan niet bouwen toe. Goed zo, papa. Nou, hi, schaapjes. Zeg maar hallo,
Hoeveel
schaapjes.
schaapjes zijn er, Anna?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Alleen 10?
11.
12,
13, 14,
14,
15,
15,
16,
16,
17,
17,
18,
18,
19,
19.
20.
Zeg maar doei doei schaapjes, Anna.
Doei,
Zeg maar
schaapjes.
doei.
Doei, schaapjes.
Doei doei.
Maybe just give it a
Het
some.
is hard te maken.
Tot de volgende keer.
Maybe just give it a some.
Okay.
Precies, weet ik eigenlijk.
Doei.
Alis na tayo. Before pa maging irritable si Ana. Still nice flowers. But I was expecting that I would see nice flowers or like sakura trees there. Pero wala man.
Kijk, aan een paard.
Ana, pad! It's a real one. It is. So ngayon, pupunta na po kami ng KFC pa sa sa city. Magdapbay kami sa city. Ice kuhala? Ice kuhala?
Masak ko.
May slakrom. So with whipped cream daw yung gusto niyang ice cream. So punta, mag-drop-by kami doon, kain kami ng konti, and then bigyan namin to ng treat. Ice cream na naman. Walang iba, ice cream. Ice cream na lang ng ice cream. Ice cream?
Isa ko.
Slakrom, may slakrom pa pa.
More focus on de slagroom.
Yeah. Ana, say hello.
Hayo.
Nasa drive-thru na lang po kami, hindi na kami papasok kasi Ana is tired. And hindi din kami makakakain ng maayos sa loob. So, it's better na dito na lang sa sasakyan. Nag-drive-thru na lang talaga kami. Mag-park kami doon sa malapit sa entrance yung parking. Doon kami kakain na lang para madalian na lang. No? What song is that, Ana? Chikading lang, chikading. Chikading, chikading. Tia, tia. Ano man?
To singa.
Oh, Ana to singa.
Tia, 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 tia.
Ah,
Tia, tia, tia.
Heel mooi aan, hè? Goed zo, hè?
Tia, tia, tia.
Hi guys, bahay na po tayo. Doon na si Ana sa matutulog na siya. And yun na lamang po din ang ating pa-video. Maraming salamat. Mush mush babush. Mush mush babush, Dodong.
Moes, moes, baboes.
Mag-chillax na kami.